We kicked off another round of How Tight Are the Slot Machines in Lake Tahoe with the usual mix of sarcasm, surprises, and slot machine chaos. From a rough check-in experience with barking dogs to finally settling into a proper room, we managed to hit wins at Caesars Republic, Harrah's, Bally's, and the Golden Nugget during our $500 per casino challenge. We filmed walkthroughs, captured our slot play, and documented every chicken-ass tight moment throughout the way. Now that we finished up Lake Tahoe, it's time to switch locations. We're heading into Carson City to visit 2 casinos we haven't been to yet and test our luck all over again. Welcome to a new episode. Yours truly, Her. We are on our way to Carson City. We just left Caesars Republic, South Lake Tahoe, and now we're gonna go test out a new casino. To us.
New to us.
New to us. Here it is, Carson City.
It's only 22 miles from South Lake Tahoe.
Yeah. And we are going to a place called Fandango Casino. Fandango.
We've never really been there?
No, we haven't.
It sounds so familiar.
It does. I had to go to our YouTube channel and look up casino walking tours with Fandango. I didn't see it, so we haven't been here.
They have a steakhouse.
Oh, we're hungry. Alright, follow us. Casino Fandango opened in July 31st, 2003, and its gaming floors covers about 40,000 square feet, making it one of the largest casinos in Carson City. Inside, you'll find over 700 slot machines with about 10 table games. Beyond gaming, Fandango includes a multiplex movie theater, multiple restaurants, bars, and even a hotel nearby, Courtyard by Marriott, for guests who want to stay the night. Over the years, it has built a reputation as a top entertainment destination in Carson City and helped grow the local gaming market, quickly becoming it a go-to spot for both locals and tourists.
Her right there. It's the same star.
She thought
Copied it.
No, that's not Carl's Jr. That's Casino Fandango.
Oh, I'm sorry. It looks like Carl's Jr. I thought it was like, Carl's Jr. headquarters must be right here.
Casino Fandango, everybody. They have a star that's just like Carl's Jr. Ooh.
Stuff.
Does it look bigger than...
Oh, it is.
It's big. That's all the mirrors. That's all the mirrors, huh? This is part of her meal. This is part of her meal. It's a big serving of a side salad. I mean, look how big that is. That's a salad. It's not a side salad. Get
BLT, egg flour soup. It came with that.
That's a whole meal. You are not gonna be hungry later.
No, you're gonna help me with it.
And I got this war wonton soup.
You're gonna help me with this one.
How am I'm not. I have my big soup right here.
Half in it for a reason.
Oh. Well, you could save it for later. So I just pulled my fortune out of this cookie. And you know what it says?
What does it say?
You need to work hard to be lucky. I need to work on pressing those buttons on the slot machines harder.
Where does my fortune?
Alright, let's see what hers says. Here you go, you can open yours up.
Sheep. Yeah. Those who do not remember the past are condemned to repeat it.
So we're gonna try to remember to win.
Not play that dragon.
Okay. So we just finished eating.
Cash out on bubble craps.
It's my fault. We just finished eating and we're gonna go try our luck out there now. Fandango Casino. This whole meal that we just ate is $32.25. It's not bad.
Not at all.
It's really good. Good deal, good deal.
Good deal.
We are Coyote Moon. Alright, and we're gonna play one line at, whoa, $4.
$4.
40 lines.
40. Oh, yeah, 40 lines. It's $4.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Here we go. Bonus. Is that 40 cents?
I have no idea.
It is 40 cents.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So if we do 10, it's $4. Yeah. That's max bet.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. C. So there's our credits on the left. Bonus. $2.50.
Come on, Coyote Moon.
Oh! $2 back.
It's not paying out as well.
No.
That's when we were playing this before. It's
Oh,
going
one
down
more.
really fast.
Oh.
Okay. Coyote. $15.
Alright.
All right.
Oh, no! Bonus. $31 left. $7.50. Bonus. Bonus. Yes, yes, yes. All
Got a
right.
bonus.
I'm excited. I was so scared.
What do you call these again?
Drawings.
Petroglyphs.
Petroglyphs, yes.
What's that? Nada. Oh, come on.
How many spins do I get?
Not
Oh, I only have one spin left.
$29.50.
Last spin. Retrigger. One spin remaining. I'm waiting for it. Wait, is that it?
Spins remaining is one.
There it is.
That's it.
Oh my.
$30 win.
Okay. Well, that's our first 100.
Congratulations.
That wasn't that
All
great.
right.
Yeah. Get it. Get it. Get it. Okay. Cash out.
Cash out.
$54. Hey, thanks for playing.
Coyote Moon though.
Oh,
Is it
man.
really good or not so good?
Okay, next game. Here we go. Let's see if this. Just playing old games here. So this is water dragons.
Water
It fell
dragon.
out. 100 fell out.
Fell out?
Yeah, it didn't want it. It spit it right out.
Oh.
Here we go. Water dragons. The koi fish, if it turns into a dragon, it's a symbol of success and perseverance.
Oh, really? Cool.
I have that tattoo on me. Okay, max bet. So,
So,
30 lines or 30 lines. 10 is $3 bet.
10.
Here we go. Bonus.
Oh, this is not the same as this. I
Now,
see.
the different color koi fish. That's a 75-cent bet? Okay.
Is it a 75-cent bet?
Yeah, 75 cents. Water dragons. Oh, I think you need 3 of those. Here we go. That one too?
Oh.
Oh, it's a clam. I guess it's different. Is that a clam?
I have no idea.
Hey, $6.
Great. Yep, good win.
Clams. Koi fish. $12.50.
$12.50.
This one has good line pays.
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh, missed. Oh, there's that. $2.
hey, hey. Dragonfly, $4.50. It's keeping you in the game.
Yes, it is.
Hey,
Oh.
water clam. I mean, water clam.
Maybe it's a coral.
Is it a coral? It's a pearl. It's an oyster.
Pearl.
It's a water clam. Oyster.
Oh, it went quiet. Oh, $2. It's so quiet. Oh no, don't be quiet. Water dragon. Oh, I wonder what that is.
It's a different bonus.
It's
Oh,
a
it's a
wild.
wild. It's not a bonus.
Okay, it's gone quiet. This might not have a bonus. Give me a bonus.
You never know,
Give me a bonus.
because I went down to $15 and I got a bonus.
Give me a bonus.
Hey,
Come on, give me a bonus.
hey!
What's a dragon for? $24.
Ooh, nice line pay.
Should have stopped now.
It's up to you.
I'm back up to 61 bucks.
Okay.
3 more.
All right.
What? 2. Oh, almost. 3. It's just so quiet.
Okay.
I'm used to like pay more, pay more, pay more. So cash out.
All right.
That's good enough.
Oh,
Maybe not the water dragon, not this time.
we're gonna put in these 2 tickets that we just invested, and we're sitting at this huge Buffalo Diamond Extreme.
1 cent, 5 cent.
5 cent?
Is this 5?
5 cent. Minimum is.
$5.
Oh, you wanna try it?
Is it $5? I think it's $5.
I think it is $5. Let's see.
Ooh, Buffalo!
Whoa!
Cash it out.
Cash out?
Cash it out.
Okay.
We got our money back.
Holy snaps! Right there.
All right.
We're
We're
good.
even. Let's go.
Okay, we're good. Let's cash out. Hit cash out and run. Buffalo! All right. What was that? Jeez, we're at 226.
So we won 26 bucks.
We're good.
It paid for our food.
Okay, yeah. All right, Casino Fandango. We're done. We gotta go to the next casino. We're on a big trip today. Thank you for tuning in.